Hello guys, today we are going to unbox Doms brush pens. Super soft tip. There are total 14 shades and these are the colors. And we can also find Canson papers over here. This is the back side. The total cost is 200 rupees and it is made in India. So now let's unbox it. These are the shades that we can find and the paper. There are lots of colors. Also we can find a gold metallic pen over here. Now let's see how they work. I've taken a paper and now we'll draw on it. This is the tip and it is fine. And now we're drawing on it. The tip is really smooth and also very soft. We can draw really easily with this. We can also do calligraphy with these pens very nicely. So these are all the colors and special, this is gold and it is very glittery, metallic gold. Now I am writing my name over here. So this was all about the colors. Now we're moving on to the paper. The paper quality is really nice and we can find total 5 here. Paper quality is really nice like canvas. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.